You mentioned earlier that you can expunge your criminal conviction, but definitely the police or enforcement officers would always know the history, whatever happened in your criminal background. Is that correct?
Look, expungement is a good idea for your life in the state. Expungement it does not help you in immigration matters.
I see.
But you should do it if you can expunge, if an expungement is available. And again, I'm talking about California. If expungement is available, do it. In other states, you have procedures which are called a sealing of records. If it is available and possible, do it.
There's just so many issues on immigration that we'd like to discuss with Attorney Golan. Of course, we'll always press for time, but we will have more interviews about immigration. There's just so many developments on this particular regard. Now, please call Attorney Golan at 2133-833222. Two last things, Attorney Golan. Of course, we'll talk about the visa bulletin, and I'd like to reserve the few minutes before we end the program for some of your very interesting stories. Like, I remember in the past, like you would go to an interview, like this question of, can they call you and then you can go to the, prison and then talk to the client even at midnight? Or do you accompany them during an interview, citizenship, and all these things? But anyway, what's the latest visa bulletin, Attorney Golan?
The latest visa bulletin is as follows. F1, which is for adult unmarried sons and daughters of American citizens, is back to April 2006, about 11 years delay. F2A is for spouses of immigrants and minor unmarried children of immigrants, is back to August 2015, which means about 2 years delay. F2B, which is for adult unmarried sons and daughters of immigrants, is again back to 2006, the same 10 or 12 years delay. F3, which is for married sons and daughters of American citizens, is back to 1994. I don't even want to compute how many years.
Wow.
And F4, which is brothers and sisters of American citizens, is back to 1993.
Wow.
In the employment-based cases, EB1 and EB2 are open, and EB3, which is for skilled workers, is back to May 1, 2013, which is not too bad, especially compared to a year ago.
Right.
And EW, which is for unskilled workers, is also May 1, 2013, which is about 3 years delay. Okay, but I believe, like I keep saying it for quite a while, that this is getting shorter and shorter. If you have an ability to be sponsored, go ahead and do it.
So this is pretty good, Attorney Golan. This is pretty good.
It is pretty good, especially compared to what it was 6 months ago and 1 year.